Exposing the myth in latest is always greatest. Let's talk about why last year's Razr Ultra might just outsmart the shiny new 2026 foldables. You ready? Here's the deal. Both the 2025 Razr Ultra and the 2026 models pack the same Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and 16 gigs of RAM. But the 2025 Ultra? You can snag it for as low as $799, while the 2026 version starts at a wallet-busting $1,500. That's enough to buy another phone, or, a decent vacation. You're also not missing out on design. Both have that slick 4-inch cover screen and roomy 7-inch main display. And let's not forget the 1TB storage option, easier to find with the 2025 model. So what do you lose skipping 2026? A slightly bigger battery, a bit more screen brightness, and one extra year of updates. Unless you're glued to your phone outside, that's not a deal breaker. Pro tip: big retailers are throwing in freebies to clear 2025 stock. So, if you want max value, the 2025 Razr Ultra is your smartest move.